Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Diane, aka Cinema Food, and today I'm gonna show you how to make the best French toast ever. They're gonna be crunchy and yummy at the same time. So first you're going to need 5 bread slices, 2 eggs. Oh, I'm losing my egg. But hold on, before we go deep into the video, did you subscribe to my channel? If no, you know what to do. Go ahead and do it now. Thank you. You're also gonna need some almond milk, some cream cheese and fruits. You can choose whatever fruits you like. The most important part in this recipe is to toast your bread. If you toast your bread, they're gonna be crunchy and not soggy at all. So after that, you wanna mix your eggs, your milk, your sugar, and your vanilla extract. Make sure to mix that very well so you don't have some egg lumps into your mixture. After you're done mixing, add some butter into a pan. Please don't judge my pan. It's been living its best life and it's still doing whatever I want him to do. After that, soak your bread slices and grill them into the butter. Make sure to grill them on both sides until they're golden brown. Otherwise, they're gonna be smelling like raw eggs, and you don't want that for your French toast, trust me. So after that, you wanna mix your cream cheese with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You mix them until you get a smooth paste and you put it on top of your French toast. If you prefer, you can put the cream cheese mixture on top of every slice so and stack them so you get like a French toast cake. You get it? After that, make sure you put your food on top of it around your plate too, and that's it. Actually, you can eat it like that, or if you prefer, you can add some honey or some maple syrup on top of it. And trust me, it's gonna be so good and crunchy because you toasted your bread slices. That's the key and the secret for my best French toast recipe ever. So now you know what to do. Please subscribe, share, and most important step, try the recipe because you're going to love it. Okay, see you guys next time for a yummy recipe. Bye bye.